Hey, in this video, we're going to learn about a couple of phrases and how to use them. So, if there is an overused phrase in China, this one we're going to start with, 没办法, is definitely it. It literally means, does not have 办法, a method or a way to deal with something. So, like it kind of means like there's no way to ... or there's no way to, or there's no way to fix this. So there's no way, or it's impossible, but it can also express something like I had no other choice, or this is just the way there is. There's nothing we can do about it. So the reason I say it's overused in China is you hear a lot, and I love Chinese people. Don't get me wrong. So if I'm criticizing the culture, there's a lot of love in there. Sometimes I'm like, dude, actually there was a way. You just didn't take it or try that hard. But anyway, here we go. This is a very useful phrase, and you'll hear it a lot. And this is how it works. It goes. It kind of translate to like had no way, something like that. Maybe let's see how it goes. 下大雨. The rain. It's raining. It's raining a big rain. It's raining hard. 下大雨.我们没办法 have no way 打篮球 to play basketball. We cannot play basketball. I think in English we'd say we cannot play basketball. But 没办法, while it literally means there's no way, is a very common phrase. And so while we might say we can't play basketball, the Chinese person might express the same idea using this phrase 没办法. 钱太少了. This is a very funny looking 少 character, but hey, whatever. 钱太少了, 没办法买那么好的电脑. So money is too little or too few, too small amount. I think I'm getting tired because I'm not making sense. 钱太少了, 没办法买那么好的电脑. There's no way to buy that good of a computer. So remember, 那么好 means that good. 的电脑 computer. There's the money is too little, it's too few, it's too what? There's not enough money. There's no way to buy that good of a computer. 他没带手机. He did not bring his phone or take his phone. 没办法给我打电话. This is from All Set Learning. So he did not bring his phone. He has no way to give me a phone call. So there's 没办法. It's a fun phrase, and it can be. You'll see that sometimes it will have a specific subject, and sometimes it will have a no subject, and it's more of a there's no way. So it could be I have no way, or it could be subject has or have no way, or it could be that there is no way. So in this sentence, 下大雨, 我们没办法, we do not have a way to play basketball. In this sentence, 钱太少了, 没办法, it could mean we have no way, or it could just be a general there's no way to buy. We don't know who the subject is. So it could be a known, an unwritten subject, or it could be just there's no way. And same here, 他没带手机. We know who he is, but it could be he had no way. Yeah, I think it's he had no way, even though the subject isn't written there. It's assumed to be that. Does that make sense? You could say 没办法, there's no way, or 我没办法, I have no way. Same. All right, there you go. Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about another phrase. It's about. Like the phrase that we're going to talk about is about. Get it? So this is about in the sense of regarding, or like this book is about rocks, for example. Okay, so there are two main ways that this will show up. It could show up as a topic to start the sentence followed by a comma. So for example, we might say in English, like in terms of or regarding or about this topic, ... Same thing in Chinese. So 关于这个问题, about this question, regarding this question, 你们还是问他吧。你们还是问他吧。Okay, what does that mean? Let's start with this and I'll explain it and then we'll read the whole thing. You guys 还是问他吧。Okay, so this is one of those cases, I mentioned this before, where 还是, which normally means or, make a choice, has another meaning. And this is one of those other meanings that showed up in this example from All Set Learning. It means you'd better, or how about you guys do that? So it says, about this question or this matter, how about you guys ask him ba? You guys should ask him. So he's deferring, deflecting, like go, that person will deal with it. He or she or whoever's saying this. 关于这个问题，你们还是问他吧. All right, here's another example of the same idea. It's a phrase in the beginning, a topic. 关于中国历史, regarding or about Chinese history, 我知道的不多. This is also from All Set Learning. What I know is not much. What I know is not much. That's how it literally is. It means I don't know that much. I don't know much. 关于中国历史，我知道的不多. All right, and then now, and also, okay, so that's one way it'll show about something, about a noun. That'll be in the beginning of the sentence. And then also, it will show up as an adjective that's modifying a noun that's in the sentence. So rather than saying regarding a specific thing, it'll be part of a noun that's in the sentence. I'm not sure if I'm describing that well, but here's one example of here. It's still in the beginning of the sentence, but it's part of the adjective of 书. So see how this works. 关于历史的书. So this is all the subject of the sentence. 书 means book. What book? It's the book about history. So, or books about history. 关于历史的书很有意思 are very interesting. So that would be books about history are very interesting, or books that are about history. Does that make sense? The difference between this, where it's like regarding this thing, ... but rather it's books about history. Here we have where it shows up as an adjective near the adjective modifying a noun at the end of the sentence. 汉语有很多 Chinese language 有很多 has many what? 关于饮食的成语. So it has many 成语. What kind of 成语? 成语 means idiom. So it has what kind of idioms? It has idioms about drink and food. 饮食, it means drink and food. So Chinese has many idioms about drink and food. Hope that makes sense. So that's how you say about, 关于. One little thing that All Set Learning pointed out is a good thing to point out, and I mentioned it when I was in a previous video when I was talking about. There are a number of verbs in English where about follows the verb. It's kind of like a part of the idea. To talk about, to think about, to I'm blanking on whatever things, but they're there. In Chinese, verbs don't carry guānyú. You don't have a verb guānyú something. It's just the meaning is all in the verb itself. So, for example, if you are going, in English we can say, this is also from All Set Learning, an example they pointed out, we can say to discuss something. You don't discuss about something. The about idea is in the verb itself. You don't need the word about. So in English, when you have something like think about, you don't say 想关于, you just say 想 of something. An issue, 想 issue, to think about an issue. Or, to talk about, 说这个问题. Let's talk about this problem or this issue. So there you have it. 关于 means about. Keep up the good work. You're doing great.